Hello and welcome. Today is Friday, the 28th day of July 2017. Welcome. My name is Derek, and within this video, I'm going to show an example of the ebook that I'll be presenting most likely tomorrow and very rare shot on Sunday. I should have it done either Saturday morning or Saturday afternoon. And what we're seeing right now in the markets is Bitcoin dominance. 51.1%, surely rising as Bitcoin has been going higher. And a lot of these codes are going lower. And when the markets go lower against Bitcoin, and let me just view this against Bitcoin. And then we can see a better way or a better look at what the alternate coins are doing. And when the alternate coins fall like this, well, that means that I become a buyer. When markets fall, I buy. When they rise and they're in uptrends, then I sell. And I do this by placing buy and sell orders. But as we continue through, we can see how a lot of these codes are struggling against Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin Dark, this is an interesting one because I'm reading and seeing that as we move into the end of the month, at the start of August, that there is going to be this possible fork coming through. I see exchanges like Coinbase and Yobit just suspending the Bitcoin wallet, or looking like they will on the last July 31st and August 1st for Yobit, and I think August 1st for that of Coinbase. But anyway, I'm going to show an example of what you would expect within this, because I'm going to tell you everything that I want to buy, where I want to buy it, what I want to do with it after I buy it. And there's literally going to be about 150 codes. This is chronological from Blitz to BTS. So Blitz, I'm looking to buy at 92.23 with an intent to sell this around 24,000. So that's better than 100% gain. And I'm telling you why I want to buy it. And this is pretty much almost all Fibonacci, previous resistance, key level of where it was before, those kinds of deals. And in this level represents a 61 point down fib and major key previous area, as well as previous flash crash low. And then if I own anything, I'm gonna tell you where I'm selling it, because there is not one code that I own that I do not have a sell order for. 100% of my holdings have at least one sell order. BLK has two. But I'm looking to buy at around 6,000. And I tell you why. BSD and then BTA, BTS, and then I'm going to continue on. This is as far as I'm gone right now. I've done some major ones, and I'm going to show you an example of like the more common ones. And I'm of course rating this. Each one of these, they're just 1-star minimum bet, basically, rated 1 through 5. But this one here would be like Bitcoin, 5 stars. Bitcoin is my base currency, and I have mostly this coin. I have several dozen buy orders in Bitcoin, and because I am just holding most of them through all the moves, I might as well put them in buy orders. See, I got to edit this. That's not, it's supposed to be a T. It's supposed to be an R. This was done yesterday. I am also swing trading Bitcoin with the US dollar tether, which is what acts as the US dollar. When I sell Bitcoin, I will always place a buy order to get it back. Therefore, if I sell $20 worth of Bitcoin at 2,700, then I will place a buy order maybe around 2,400 for $20. And then I list the orders that I have. And as of before I went to bed last night, these were the orders. Now this one got filled. So that one's no longer in place. I've already sold at 27.53. And I have thus placed a buy order in the 2600-ish range. So therefore, if it falls down, I'll buy at 26. If it rallies, I'm selling at 29.22. None of the buys other than 2026 are in large numbers, nor is any of the sell targets, with most around $20 to $30 each. I have $40 in my Tether account, not in orders, which I will use when this Dash, Ethereum, ETC, or ZEC have a great buy opportunity later on. If Bitcoin breaks lower, I would presume that the 1850-ish area would be where I would buy Bitcoin again. I plan on selling more aggressive with Bitcoin between 4,000 and 5,000. These markets have nasty corrections, and this means I will sell for larger dollar totals because I know the probability I can buy these back in the 3,000 range will be high. I do not have sell orders in because as a day trader whom is active, I will be ready when the time is right to sell at these levels. As if I put everything buy order in, I would just run out of Bitcoin. So I just cannot put all the buy orders in that I want. So an example is like, okay, so I sell 33.38. I'm going to have to put a sell order in, maybe around 36. Again, probably would be small there. Oh, I'm starting to put the 4,042. Now they get a little bit bigger because I'm moving into an area where I think it's going to start to get toppy. But the more the common the codes, ETC, Ethereum, ZEC, Ripple, all the more known, common, and definitely larger wagered items are going to have more analysis. But as you've seen with the ones in the Bs, a lot of them are just going to give you the basic numbers and how I'm playing it. So this will be available on Saturday at some time, most likely. And it will be for sale for $20 US in pretty much any cryptocurrency. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day.